Hello again, it's Mike from Sunshades Window Fashions. Today we're going to be installing our Duette Applause shades. One of the services we offer is we will take down your blinds and dispose of them for you as well. So that's basically what we're doing. We're going to take down these old, that are known as Everwood slat blinds. And you get to see the transformation in just a few minutes. Okay, so now we finished taking off all the blinds in this bedroom, which through the magical world of editing just took a couple seconds. But now we're going to show you how to put your brackets on. So bracket placement. What you want to do when you're putting up your brackets is you want to have them evenly spaced. You don't want, say, one only 2 or 3 inches in, and as opposed to this one, that would be way out here. You want to equally distribute the weight of the blind, and because of the width of this blind, we're going to put one in the center as well. Now with these brackets, they have a slot on the top, so if you need to adjust it in around an 1/8 of an inch, if the left one is slightly further out than the right one will be, that's what the slot is. Therefore, we don't have to make more holes than we need to. We're here to make things look a little bit nicer after all, aren't we? Each bracket is approximately 1/4 of an inch back. So I've already previously unwrapped all of my blinds. Okay. Okay, so we've heard the click, and as you can see, our headrail is nicely flush to the front of the jamb. But even though you hear it, you want to do a visual check as well. You want to make sure your bracket is actually clipped in at the back. Okay, fantastic. And before we secure our tensioner, as we all know, for child safety rules, it is by law that we do need to secure these. But before I do that, I always like to test my blind. So we may have to sometimes put that in the upright position, the window crank, so that way we have clearance for our blind. A little bit of blackout, everyone gets a better night's sleep. And we want the sunlight to come in very nice and sleek, takes up very little of your actual window opening. That's one of the benefits of this blind. And as I said, you have a sleek headrail as well, so it just blends in with your trim and pretty much disappears. And we're also checking for levelness, which we are looking great. Okay, we're all finished up. Another satisfied customer, which is the main goal at the end of all of it. Doing a little quick review of what we like to do when we're done as well. So as I said, we're going to dispose of the old blinds, but also we take our garbage with us. One of my personal #1 rules is leave the home the way you found it, except look a little nicer with new blinds. We definitely always want to take our garbage with us. Also, like I said, we pride ourselves on that at Sunshades, that we come in, we'll do an efficient install, a quality install, and very clean install. So thanks very much. Have a good day.